Hi, home barista. So welcome to another episode. So for this video, we are going to deep clean the steaming wand tip using one of the liquid detergent called Puly. This one is dedicated for cleaning your steaming wand. Alright, we are going to dissolve the liquid detergent in 500 ml of water. To start the cleaning, let's turn on the knob for the steaming wand. Turn on for a few seconds, then close. Then pause for a few seconds. Then turn on again. Repeat this process up to 10 times. Alright, next step, dispose the liquid detergent and refill it with clean water. Next, do the same steps. Turn on the knob for a few seconds, then turn off, then pause for a few seconds, then turn again. Do these steps up to 10 times. Deep cleaning of steaming wand is now done. You can now wipe the steaming wand and perform a purge. This is part 3 of the Lelit MaraX cleaning episode. If you're interested how to deep clean the group head, changing the filter, and cleaning the accessories, please check the description below.